Guys, and welcome back to the William family. I hope you guys are having a blessed day so far. Give thanks to the Lord for waking you up this morning and giving you health and strength to go out there and do what you do best. But anyways, I am up. Little man just showered and everything and ate, so he's actually sleeping. Let me show you guys. So little man is here taking a nap. We are actually heading out, so we're gonna go out for the day. So he's sleeping, but I'm going to go shower and clean up a little bit. So I'm gonna clean up first, and I have his bottles that I need to go get done, so I'm going to go get those done, go sanitize his bottles and stuff like that, clean up a little bit, and then go take a shower, get myself ready. The kids are getting ready to head out. I guess they're going to the mall, so I'm going to go drop them off. But I don't know if they're going to the movies. You know, it's summertime, so they're gonna. And yeah, so I'm dropping the two older ones off, and then I'm just gonna come home because I have some editing to do, and I have some stuff that I need to get done because I need to catch up on certain things, and I have some content that I also need to get done. Hopefully, I don't overexhaust myself, but we will see how much I can get done today. So that is so that is what I plan on doing today. So I'm going to get started. So let's go get these bottles sanitized, and yeah, let's get prepared to get myself together. Just about to sanitize these bottles.
Take up some space. You're too far away. Make no mistake. Hey, I think you should stay. I want every little bit. I ain't never seen it drip like this. Heaven at my fingertips. Let's not let a minute slip. Just say you have me. Oh, taste and see. Yeah, I hope you don't sleep on me. I've got good and plenty. Inhabit all the spaces in between. It's magic when I taste your inner being. Average day is spent all in the sheets. Emphatic when I tell you what you mean to me. Chemistry, intimate memories. Every time I give you all my energy. If it's
You have to watch me elevate. You have to watch me elevate. I am finished getting dressed. We're actually on the way right now because we are going to the mall. The girl needs to get some new makeup. Oh, I haven't even sprayed up myself yet. So your girl is about to get some. I need to get some new. Hold on. Oh. Yeah, so I need to get some new makeup, and I just need to get a few things from Sephora, so gonna go get some stuff, and I'm dropping the kids there, and yeah, probably I'm going to come home.
Where's his backpack?
Where's his backpack? It's in the stroller.
Okay, bye.
Okay, so yeah, we are heading out now, and Faith's going to the movies with her friend, and I guess Memphis, he's going to the mall shopping. I don't even know. So then, yeah, that is what we're doing. So I'm heading out now. We'll catch you guys on the road.
never sleep. Never sleep. Say you have me. Oh, taste and see. Yeah, I hope you don't sleep. Take up some space. little bit. I ain't never seen a drip like this. Heaven at my fingertips. Let's not let a minute slip. Just say you have me. Oh, taste and see. Yeah, I hope you don't sleep on me. I've got good and plenty, yeah. Inhabit all the spaces in between. It's magic when I taste you in a beat. Yeah. Average day is spent all in the shades. Emphatic when I tell you what you mean to me. Chemistry, intimate memories. Every time I give you all my energy. Emphasis and never sleep. Yeah, never sleep. Say you have me. Oh, taste and see. Yeah, I hope you don't sleep on me. I've got good.
Once you edit it,
just me, Little Man, and Memphis. When Memphis is driving. So I'm in the back. Me and Little Man are in the back. He's awake. I just got me a nice pina colada, fresh squeezed punch. Don't taste the same without the rum, but it will do for now. I like the pina colada when they have the little rum in it and whipped cream. It just tastes much better. So I guess it's just me and my boys are having an outing for now. Having an outing for now. We just went to the mall. I just ended up getting my makeup from Sephora, and they actually did my makeup. So, because I needed my shade changed, so I need to get a new foundation. I don't know how this makeup is makeuping right now, but I guess I will see. I didn't get to fully see, I guess, because sometimes it's dark in there. So, yeah. So that's pretty much it, but Memphis is gonna go do a little shopping himself, so yeah, that is pretty much what we are out doing. And then that's pretty much it. Well, little man's about to fall asleep. Oh shoot, my drink. No. Oh, little man, look like he's ready to sleep. Oh, look at him hugging his little bear. He hasn't sleep yet. He's just looking at it. Now this I can work with. Oh my gosh. So we are actually in the store. Memphis is shopping, trying to get some stuff. But I'm probably gonna have to fast forward this because no copyright, and this music don't show it copyright. We're going soon, Pops. Yeah, so we had left Face and we went to a different store. You're not finding a size? Oh. You're not finding anything? Let's put them up here. You don't like the other stuff over there? I don't know what. See, this looks so comfortable. See the price? $4.99. Duvolle. So this set is $1,000. Okay. So the price. Okay, so over there, so there are. These are cute.
For $6,000. Okay.
And these are the stuff for, I guess, the pan. Look. Okay, so them are one, but I don't like that. See, they have the gold. Oh hell! I just got home and well, I am 2 kids short now, so I only have 2 here. I have the 2 youngest one, the 2 oldest one. They out, gone on the road. Faith, I think she gone to the movies, and I guess I don't know if she gone to a movie and a dinner with her friend, but she's out. So I guess when she's done, she will call. And Memphis is gone his ways now, so I just dropped him off. So it's just me and little man. I came back, and then well, Mr. Williams just got home now. So yeah, and that's it. So yeah, we didn't do much today. Kind of just did a little bit of something, but I am overly tired. I need my bed. Hopefully Mario will go pick up Faith for me. Don't look at me like that. Hopefully Mario will go pick up Faith so I can sleep. Actually, no. I actually got to go edit a vlog right now and upload it for you guys, so you guys will actually get that ASAP. I'm actually running late. Oh yeah, see, the vlog is supposed to be released in half an hour and it's not going to be, so hopefully I'll be able to get it done. I'm gonna go do that right now. So yeah, I will be back, but if I don't come back, I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to tell a friend to come and join the Williams fam, where it's always 8 vibes over here. I will catch you guys in the next one. Stay blessed, guys. Bye.
They are not our fears we see. No one will left. We can't sink on the Titanic. Fight for you, you fight for me. Die for you. Remember when them tell us and me gonna be the wife for you. That in the past and we pass it just like an interlude. How them meet, how them greet is like real life an interview. That in the days and now it's every day.